Hi guys, so we are already here at our place in Brooklyn. Yeah, this is my brother. And yeah, we're already here at the place in Brooklyn, and oh my god, I did a really bad mistake because by the time that we got out the car, we got out the Uber, right? And like we couldn't figure out how to unlock the door because the owner, the host, already told us the password of the door, and then we couldn't figure out how to do it. So I accidentally told the Uber guy the password to get in the house, and I was like so freaked out because like, and then my brother was just like got off the car, all the bags were already here. My brother was like, why did you tell the Uber guy about the password? He can get in our house at any time. And I'm like, what? I did it! I'm so sorry! And I get really freaked out. So the very first thing that I did once I got here is I texted the host to tell him that I accidentally told the Uber guy the password. So he just like came down and like, changed the password already. So like we feel safer right now. So here's the place for our trip in Brooklyn. I mean in New York. So we choose to be in Brooklyn because it's a little bit cheaper than being in Manhattan or something. And yeah, it's quite close to the nearest metro, subway, and things like that, so it's pretty communicable. So yeah, when you get inside, yeah, here's a TV and like the sofa and things, the living space, the common space that everybody can come in. And yeah, what's this room? Oh, this room is actually the room to like keep things, whatever. And then here we call the laptop friendly space. So you can like, it's a desk that you can work, or like, you can like put your laptop and you can work or anything like that. And yeah, and come here. So this is this, and this is the book called Guest. So inside this, there were like the past guests came in and like they just like put in recommendations and things, and like they just like put in some of the town that they came from, and ours would be like Bangkok, Thailand, something like that. And he got a really good recommendation, so it's undeniable. He's really nice. So this is the kitchen. I think we would use it a lot because like, yeah, we already prepared jaya and like some canned fish, like เหมือนจะชีวิตดีนะคะแต่ว่าแบบกูเอาบะหมี่มาเต็มเลยจ้าอะไรประมาณนี้ Okay, so this is like and this is the thing that we don't have it in Thailand because it's a dishwasher. We always like when we want to wash the dishes, we just like sunlight อะไรอย่างงี้ใช่ไหม Scotch Brite, things like that. And then yeah, we just put all the stuffs inside here, and then you just put the detergent. How can you open it? Yeah, whatever, you can put the detergent here. Yeah, you just put the detergent here, and then you just put the water, put the dishes in. The detergent is like this. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yeah, for the dish, just use this to wash the dishes. Okay. Yeah, and this is the thing. This is the pot that we prepare the water to make some instant noodle. This is going to be the very first meal of us. Okay, let's head to the bathroom. Oh no, to the bathroom first. We got 2 bathrooms and we got 2 bedrooms. 2 bathrooms. The very first bathroom. Yeah, like my brother really liked this light. Okay, so he always used this light instead. Yeah, just kind of like take life or something like that. Or like he would having fun taking a shower with this light. But I don't like it. I like this one. Okay, so let's move to the master bedroom. Master bedroom. Yeah, because like our room is like the basement room, and the host is upstairs, right? So it's a garden apartment, a garden apartment. So like back here is like a kind of like a backyard for like his house. Yeah, it's a backyard, right? And like the bedroom, oh my god, really comfy. Really comfy. This is a wardrobe. So pretty. The host said that he put his style into the decoration of this house, and I can see he's really fashionable. And yeah, one thing that I would tell you that the wardrobe in America doesn't seem to be the wardrobe like in Thailand. In Thailand we have like a wardrobe, but in America we have like a wardrobe like this. it's kind of like a door. It seems like another room, but it's actually just a place to like, you know, keep in things like that. They have towel and things like that. So like whenever you want to have like an extra towels, you can use it from here. You know, you can like in the morning you use one towel, in the evening use another towel. So it's up to you. And this is another bedroom, and sorry, another bathroom. I like the decoration so much because like it's like black and white kind of thing. You know, like the decoration of the package and things. And yeah, look, so fashionable. I can see his taste from this. Yeah. And another bedroom. Let's go to another bedroom. Yeah, this is another bedroom. Like the decoration is quite the same as the other room. But the thing that I'm so scared of is this sofa. Why is this? I don't understand why this chair has to like, you know, hit down here. It's really scary, and I'm scared of this thing so much. This thing. It's so scary. Like, it freaks me out.
Oh crowd.
It really freaks me out, and like here's kind of like, you know, it's creepy too. But like, yeah, you just have to admit that it's a basement place for the host. That's why. Yeah, that is it. That is our house in Brooklyn, and yeah, this big room is room for the heater. You can like you can like change the temperature and things for the heater here. So yeah, that's it. And we are going to make ปลากระป๋องและบะหมี่กันแล้วหิวมาก Bye.
5 hours later.
เพราะว่าเดี๋ยวไม่ได้ปรับเวลาเนี่ยตอนนี้ตี 4ที่บ้านแล้วน้องนอนยาวเลยเดี๋ยวค่อยนอนตอนกลางคืนนะเดี๋ยวไม่ได้ปรับเวลา
What we do here is go back.
เดินทางมาไกลนะเราเนี่ยผมเนี่ยคือแบบเอาจริงคือกลัวไอ้ผมเนี่ยแม่งกระเด็นไปมันสะอาดกลัวแม่งเลอะคือกลัวแม่งแบบอย่างกันในหนังอะคือแบบสะอาดมากโคตรสะอาดมาก
ราบคาบนะคะบะหมี่แบ่งกันนะคะปลาคนละตัวอร่อยไหมน้อง
ร้อม
แต่ยังไม่อิ่มเลย
ดีเปล่า